What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Roy, and you are watching Roy's Customs. It turned out to be pretty decent. I don't know how long I got before it actually starts raining again, but I'm going to try to at least finish this thing up. Now, that doesn't mean that it's going to be done, because obviously I'll still have blocking and stuff to do, but I am going to get this knocked down and as smooth as possible with the good old random orbital. And of course, hopefully stuff will hold off long enough and I can get to the passenger door, maybe even try to get to the deck lid today. But anyways, we are going to get started. It is a little windy, but it'll be all right. Anyways, here we go. Here's what I'm going to do with the bottom. The bottom is probably never going to be seen by anyone other than me. And I did smooth it out quite a bit, so it will be smooth enough to let the air flow pretty good underneath there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to knock this down with the 120 on all the bottom. And I'm going to call the bottom finished, completely done. So, anyways, that's what I'm going to do with the bottom. I'm doing another piece of sandpaper here. So now, since this is done, I'm going to grab my little, the little compressor, and I'm going to let it air up, and then I'm going to blow all this off, and then I'd say wipe it down real good and shoot it with some primer, and that should be good until my final stage of finishing comes on. So anyways, it is looking much better. It does have a few little spots that I do need to fill in, but anyways, I'm gonna grab that compressor and let it air up. Gonna throw on the old respirator. Those little masks that I got are just the cheapest of the cheap, and well, they just don't work very well. So time to pull out the old respirator. So like I say, just a little bit of spot fill, some straightening up, smoothing out, finishing this off, basically blocking, filling, sanding, you know, with some spot filler and stuff. So anyways, I think that's all of that. I'll give you a tour around it. As you can see, right here is going to need a little bit of work. Like I say, just a little bit, not a big deal. I can do that by hand. In here, just a little bit. You can see how it's kind of not level, so I'll have to put a little in here, you know, just little bitty stuff. I did get the caps finished finally. So I got that finished. Like I say, as far as back here and underneath goes, I'm just going to kind of leave it. And then up here I did do this. It's not too bad. It's actually pretty good, actually. It's pretty good. Anyways, that'll be covered better with the next coat of primer. So anyways, there's just little bitty stuff here and there that needs a little spot filler. I'm not going to put a whole lot of effort into it because it is the front bumper. Like I say, a little spot here. And then I'll have to come along this ridge and sharpen this up a little bit, make this look good. You know, because I want to separate it from the bumper, because it's got to still look like a lip kit as far as I'm concerned. Like I said, little stuff in here. So anyways, okay, so I don't feel like taking the door panel off and taking all that stuff off, so I'll have to hand sand underneath there the best I can, and then tape off around the mirror, tape off that trim. Although I'm probably just gonna go to the parts yard and see if I can find good sets of trim anyways. So anyhow, I'll go ahead and finish up hand sanding underneath the mirror and stuff, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tape it all off and primer it. Voila! Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh boy, feels good to actually accomplish something. I got the rear quarter yesterday. I had started on the bumper yesterday. I finally got the bumper to a point where now all it is fine tuning, and then straightening up the edges and stuff, and then a little bit of spot filler, some hand sanding and stuff for finishing everything off, blocking, things like that. So anyways, yay, I got that much done, and that much done. And now all I gotta do is finish my side skirts, start working on the side skirts and get those nice and smooth and even and straight and stuff. And then once I get that done, I do still need to finish the roof and the deck lid, but hey, that's okay. I am going out of town for a few days. I'll probably bring you a little bit of live feeds or something like that for what I'm doing up there. Anyways, I'll be heading to Indy. So anyways, that is awesome. I'll get this thing back on here, and I'll give you a peek at what it looks like and stuff finally from both sides being mostly done. I probably got enough primer to actually do the roof like I got over there, but I don't know, we'll see. I may just do that tonight sometime or something if I get bored or something. But I do have another project that I have been started for the ZX2. I gotta figure out how I want to lay it out first real quick. But I will go ahead and tell you, I am going to build a custom sub box specifically for the ZX2. I'm even going to paint it the same color and everything. So anyways, more on that a little later. But anyways, guys, gals, I sure appreciate you guys watching, and feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.